This is the 1966 Pontiac GTO, a car that didn't just help define the muscle car movement, it helped start it. Known as the GOAT among enthusiasts, the 66 GTO represented raw performance, bold style, and the rise of youth-driven power on American roads. 1966 marked a major styling change for the GTO. It moved away from the boxy design of previous years and introduced a more curvaceous, aggressive body. The stacked headlights, wide split grille, and sharp creases along the fenders gave it a look that was both elegant and intimidating. The GTO badge wasn't just for show, it meant performance lived here. Pontiac offered the GTO as a trim package on the Tempest, but there was nothing ordinary about it. Under the hood, the standard engine was a 389 cubic inch V8, available in multiple tunes. You could get it with a 4-barrel carburetor producing 335 horsepower, or step up to the legendary tri-power setup, 3 2-barrel carbs pushing out 360 horsepower. Mated to a 4-speed manual or a 3-speed automatic, the GTO was built to dominate the streets and leave tire marks behind. Inside, the GTO was sporty but surprisingly refined. A wood-grain dash, bucket seats, and a center console made it feel upscale for its class. Optional extras included a rally gauge cluster, a Hurst shifter, and even an 8-track player, features that helped blend comfort with muscle. Every detail was designed with the driver in mind. On the road, the 66 GTO was a beast. Acceleration was instant, and the torque was relentless. It wasn't light, but the power-to-weight ratio made it feel fast, and it sounded even faster. The deep growl of the exhaust was enough to turn heads long before the car came into view. Handling wasn't its strongest suit, but for straight-line speed and boulevard cruising, the GTO delivered exactly what buyers wanted, American horsepower in its purest form. The 1966 Pontiac GTO became a cultural icon. It wasn't just a car, it was a movement. A symbol of rebellion, freedom, and raw mechanical power. Even today, nearly 60 years later, it still commands respect. This car wasn't built to whisper. It was built to roar. That's the legacy of the 1966 Pontiac GTO.